A very wise man lived in a city. People were very impressed with his wisdom and came to him for advice. One day, he went for a walk in a forest and met a madman on the way. The madman laughed at the wise man and said, "Oh, wise man, you are so educated, have read so many books, yet you do not know what life is. So what do you know about life?" said the wise man angrily. The madman replied, "I know that life is a game, and we are all players in that game." The wise man wondered, "So what is the way to win at this game?" The madman smiled and said, "There is no way to win. Just enjoy the game." The sage pondered over this. There must have been some truth in the madman's words. The madman continued, "You worry so much. Worry so much. What is the purpose of your life?" The wise man thought that the madman had asked the truth. He had spent his entire life in books, forgetting the real purpose of life. The madman continued, "You accumulate so much wealth, run after so much fame. Is this the purpose of life?" The wise man closed his eyes and began to think. The madman's words were touching his heart. The last thing the madman said was, "Life is a gift. Enjoy it. Live every moment." The wise man looked at the madman and greeted him. He realized that there is a lot of truth in the words of a madman. After that day, the wise man made many changes in his life. He left the books and started enjoying nature. He stopped accumulating wealth and started serving others.